Hi, I'm Rishika and I'm taking over the channel today. So if you like this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the little bell notification thingy.
Okay. Today we're going to be answering questions which guys sent us, which they're normally too afraid to ask or they just wouldn't ask in person. So we put out an Instagram story and had a Google form thing. So we got a bunch of guys to send us questions they've always wanted to ask us bluntly. So we're just gonna answer them today. So yeah, also Rishka's handle is going to be up on the screen somewhere and in the description box below. So let's start.
Yeah.
The first question is, why do girls normally go to the washroom as a huge group? Because you never know what happens on the way back and inside.
I just don't know. It's like
It's
we
awkward
just
going
go.
alone.
Yeah, it's awkward to go alone,
Yeah.
and sometimes it just feels weird when you're walking alone.
Yeah.
So we just like bring a friend.
Yeah. Okay, why do girls get angry if boys ask about their weight?
I feel like it's not everyone. If someone asks me, I wouldn't mind. But if you ask another person, it
I think
would
yeah,
matter to them.
if it's a sensitive topic for
Yeah.
them, so it's just I think not even girls. I think it's just not okay to ask
Anyone.
anybody
Because
about
it's
their
like
weight.
a personal thing.
Yeah, and some people are very insecure about it, so
Yeah.
they just get offended, I guess. Okay, so this question is, if a girl texts you and is being rude to you, is she trying to play it cool or is she trying to tell you that she doesn't want to text you?
I think she's not. She's just
Yeah.
not into you.
Yeah,
That's
if she's
it.
not like
I mean, this is like based on our. What
yeah,
we
this
do.
is all based on our personal opinions and what we do.
So I mean, if I did that, it just
It
means
basically means I
like
don't want
you.
to talk to you. Yeah. So the next question is, how important is a muscular body compared to a regular decently fit body? And like another question was dad bod or abs. So basically, like, does having abs and a very sculpted body matter?
I'm just gonna say looks don't really matter to me. So what?
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, whatever.
If you don't have a shitty personality.
Yeah, that's enough.
Yeah, I mean, they say
Can I swear?
I guess, but like our moms will be watching.
Don't be an ass. That's all I'm gonna say.
Okay, great. So in the bracket it says you have to pick one, don't say anything is fine. So if you ask dad bod or abs, I would honestly say dad bod. Because I feel like people with abs, they don't have a good personality, honestly.
I mean, it depends on the person.
Yeah.
I just don't.
But I
mean,
would prefer having someone like a dad bod who's like more comfy rather than like someone with abs who's like stiff.
I just really don't know. I think, okay, for this person, I have to say anything because it depends on the personality.
Yeah, but I would say dad bod though.
Yeah, maybe.
If I
don't,
had a
I
choice-
don't really have a preference, so I can't
Yeah.
even like pick.
Okay, makes sense. Why is height commonly such a big factor as to how attractive a guy is?
I don't know, because they're tall and you just look up and you're like,
Yeah, I honestly can't explain why, but it's not a very important factor, but it's like it contributes. It definitely helps. It definitely helps, I think.
I just don't. I guess it's like when they're tall, it just feels like more protective.
Yeah. Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Do you expect boys to initiate the conversation?
Not really, but it would be nice.
Yeah, see, so the thing is, I feel like if they
If you like them.
you know that they're interested in you and they want to talk to you. Whereas if you message them and they don't, like, you initiate the conversation time and time, like every time,
Yeah.
you feel like you're just forcing.
Yeah, it feels like really forced.
Yeah, and it's
So
not like,
you're like, oh, am I like being too like pushy?
yeah, I think that's kind of why a lot of girls don't.
And it's not just like to the like guy you like, it's just anyone.
Honestly, yeah, I agree.
Anyone.
Asking a girl out.
What does that
No,
mean?
it
That's just
just-
the question.
Yeah, I think it's basically, okay, like how
Don't
you
do
expect
it. Not worth it.
Why do you girls take more time to get ready? I'm not answering that.
I
Because we
don't.
want to. Yeah, like it just
I
depends on the
don't.
person.
Yeah.
Okay, another one is, what does and I am fine mean and when you say them?
It depends. I could not be fine and I'll say I'm fine, but
Yeah.
I could also be fine and say I'm fine. So
It's a very
it depends on the person I'm talking to, like girl or boy. If I'm talking to like my close friends, I'll like tell them, I'll be like, yeah, I'm pissed. But
yeah.
if it's someone I don't know, I'll
Like someone
be
you don't talk to that much, you'll be like,
I'll be like, yeah, I'm fine. So
Yeah. Okay, what
it
does
depends.
mean? What does mean? It
I
could mean
don't
like
know.
you gave a very what do you say? A question which you can't reply to,
Yeah.
but you don't want to end the conversation, leave them on scene. So you're saying,
You're saying something to
yeah,
like,
rather
not be
than
rude.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you guys actually mean anything you say? Because it's like trying to solve a Rubik's cube.
Wait, who said that?
obviously.
I don't know. I don't even know
Okay,
what
let's
I
just
say.
say, yeah, do you mean what you
I'm
say?
confused with myself, so I get that why other people would be.
No, I feel like it depends on the situation.
Yeah.
If you're in like a playful mood, you would not mean what you say. And if you're trying to have a serious conversation, you would normally mean what you say. And it depends on the person again.
But and I just generally I don't.
I think all of us are very confused and we don't know what
Yeah, we
want
just don't know
and-
what we
yeah.
want and we don't know what to say.
Is it possible to get out of the friend zone? LOL.
Yes.
Yes, it's possible. Why can't girls accept their mistakes and instead argue? I
don't know.
think it just depends on the person. Some people can't own up to their actions.
Yeah.
Some people are just too, I feel like they just don't accept.
I mean, if I did anything wrong, I'm sorry.
Yeah, like,
But,
people don't have that thing to own up.
Yeah, I don't see why you can't just.
I feel like
own
I
up.
could just say, yeah, I made a mistake. And
Yeah, if you pointed it out, like we would like be like, oh,
yeah, I
okay,
think
we'd
we
like
would
realize.
acknowledge,
Yeah.
but some people will take it like they'll get
Offensive,
offended.
yeah.
They'll get offended like, oh my god, how do you accuse me of making a
Yeah.
mistake? When a girl is pissed off, is it safe to automatically assume she's on a period? No!
I
No.
mean, okay, but the thing is,
Don't do
it's,
that.
yeah, but the thing is, it is true for me.
It is true, I agree, but
But
every single time,
yeah, but
when
not
someone's
every
pissed,
time.
It's not, see, because even
I'm
if
not more sad than angry when I'm on my period.
see, but again, like, it's just, I don't know, I find it like every time I'm pissed off, like, are you in a period? I'm like, what does that mean? I can't have emotions unless I'm
Yeah,
on a period.
yeah. But like it depends on each person. Everyone like reacts differently to their period.
Yeah, I agree. Some people are just like a roller coaster on their period.
And some people just
Some people
don't
like
care.
me are like roller coasters in general. So it just again, it's not okay to assume. Do you ever get uncomfortable when you're the only girl in a large group of guys?
No.
I think it depends on
It depends on the
the
people you're
guys
hanging on.
and how long I know them and how
Yeah.
well I know the guys. But like
True.
yeah, I don't.
But generally, I wouldn't feel.
Yeah, generally I wouldn't. I think
uncomfortable
because
if I was the only
we've
girl.
been with guys, like we go to a co-ed school, so we're okay like that. But I feel like
Yeah.
girls who like are only among girls would find it uncomfortable. Yeah. Again, why don't girls ever make the first move? Because we fear rejection.
Because
And
my mommy will say no.
And I think because like if you ask, like if you like initiate the conversation and you get like a dry response, it just
Yeah, you
It's
don't
just-
want to like
yeah.
be left on red or something.
yeah, that's hurtful. So we just don't try. Would you rather date someone you love or someone who loves you?
Someone who loves me.
I actually don't know.
Because I could like that person back. But I don't know if they could like me back if
Yeah. Okay.
I'm the only one who like them.
How do you know if a girl is interested in you or she just wants to be good friends? I
You'll
think you
never
would-
know.
No, I think you would know.
I mean, I guess you should just like be direct because some people are not.
Yeah, I think again it just depends
It
on like,
depends on
people,
each
people.
person.
Some people are just
I guess
just
some
come
people-
off like that. He's trying to ask how do I, get the hint that she's just trying to be a good friend or is she?
Yeah, but
trying
like
to-
you have to like understand and
Yeah, I
ask
think the more time you
because-
spend, the
yeah.
more you understand the situation. And I think a lot of guys just don't want to spend that much time
Yeah.
and like work on it. Honestly, what's the first thing that gets you interested in a guy? Personality, like how he behaves, I guess.
Yeah, the like how they just generally talk to you.
Yeah, like just I think
Or,
body,
like,
I think
how-
body language. Honestly.
How they like treat other people.
Yeah. So like all of like basically I think the first impression.
Basically,
Not
like,
really
if
first
they're
impression.
nice. If they're like nice
Yeah.
to others, then I'm like,
For starters, what do I say if they say I am fine? I think you want to ask them to elaborate. As to,
yeah,
like,
just be like, did I do something wrong? And if
no, I feel like don't assume that something's wrong once they say I'm fine.
no, but like it all depends on like the conversation before that.
Yeah, but just in general, how are you? I'm fine. Be like, okay, how did your day go? Or like,
Yeah,
do that.
like don't just be like, okay,
Yeah. So just try
don't
to.
leave it on red.
Yeah, continue
Oh,
the
like, oh,
conversation.
what did you do today?
Yeah. What makes someone instantly unattractive?
Like if they're arrogant,
Yeah.
rude, arrogant.
And I feel like if they just like, I don't know. I think they just.
Can I just rude?
No, but I think it's just like, if you're just like mean to someone for no reason.
Yeah, if you're
And
like,
but I feel like again,
if you like put people down in front of other people.
I feel like
and-
sometimes like smoking and stuff is also unattractive.
Yeah,
like,
smoking is so ugly.
I don't
No,
know.
it's
It's just.
I mean, I don't smoke. I would never do it. So
Yeah.
if I saw someone do it, I
Yeah, I
wouldn't
feel
be
like-
like, oh my god, that's so cute. I just
Yeah,
feel
I wouldn't.
cute.
Yeah. Agree. Okay. So, is it true that for girls, no means yes and yes means no?
No, I don't think so. I feel like no means no and yes means yes.
Yeah.
And then that's it.
And if anybody's making you think the opposite way, then it's just like messed up.
Yeah.
You just have to
Just
be direct.
cancel them, bro.
Yeah, because it's like important to be like straightforward.
Yeah.
What you're saying.
No matter like who you're talking to.
Do you play PUBG?
No. I tried once, didn't
Okay,
really like
this is
it.
an interesting question. Do all girls really feel that a boy is desperate if he initiates the conversation?
No.
They just want to be a friend. They just want to be a friend also, right?
Yeah, I mean, no, if like
I
someone
don't
just
think
texts
so.
you.
Yeah,
I mean, depends on how they like text you. If
Yeah.
it's creepy, then
how
block.
they come off.
But yeah, so if you just want to be friends, it's totally cool.
It's basically like how you.
Yeah, I wouldn't think someone is desperate if they just spoke to me.
Yeah, I feel like it'd be
If they
sweet, but
text
it's
me.
the way you speak.
Yeah.
It'll give off what you're saying. How do girls manage paragrams?
We don't.
It's really
We
hard.
just deal with it.
Yeah. Is makeup really very important to girls?
I don't. I mean, like,
For
to
some
me, it doesn't
people,
really
yeah.
matter. But when I'm like going out with my friends, or if I'm hanging out with someone, I like to do it because
It's
fun.
just, yeah, it's like a hobby.
it's
honestly.
like painting but on your face.
I agree.
Yeah.
But again, some girls, it's not important. Some girls, it is very important.
I don't know if I'm going like out to an event. I guess just to like do the entire look. So you're dressing up. Why not just like put on some makeup?
Yeah.
But if I'm going like out with my friends, it wouldn't really matter.
Some people really care about it. Some
Yeah,
people just
some people
don't
don't.
care, and both are fine. Hi. So this is the next day after I shot this because, as usual, I can't seem to do anything right. There was one question which I had forgotten to answer, and I couldn't not answer it because it was something I'm very passionate about and I really wanted to talk about, and it wasn't something that I felt like it's okay if I just let it go. And that question was, would girls approve of a guy who is not an outspoken feminist but he's still a feminist, and will be good to girls in like all ways and treat them as another equal? Is it really necessary to speak out? Because now that social media is prevalent, everyone wants to voice their concerns, but what if this isn't accessible? Like, it's almost peer pressure at this stage to talk about it. What do you think? I actually wanted to talk about this with Rishika, and when we were filming this, I just couldn't find the question at that point and it just slipped out of my head. But this is something I really want to talk about. And I think I speak for Rishika, and I called her and I spoke to her about what I'm going to be saying. And so this is what I think of this question. I feel like even if first of all, admitting that you're a feminist is still a very bold move in today's day, because people seem to be scared of it. Like, it is offensive to be a feminist, because a lot of people do not know what it is, and what they know of is because of some pseudo-feminists who think that feminism is basically man-hating, which it is not. Although there are a lot of people giving out that message, just because everybody is doing it and everybody is giving a wrong message doesn't mean that's exactly what feminism stands for. It is essentially equality. So that is what I have to say about that. And not voicing your opinion as a feminist, I think, is a very privileged thing to do, because like, you're just saying I believe in it, but I'm not going to talk about it because I don't know. He's saying he doesn't want to talk about it in general, but he feels pressure to talk about it because of peer pressure. And I think it's not peer pressure. I feel like voicing out your opinions is a way to help the cause, and it is not, like, how do I say this? You don't have to be pressured into doing it, but I feel like it's a privileged thing to be quiet even though you support it. I feel it's better you show the support rather than be quiet, as in you actively correct people, or just like correct them if they're saying something wrong, or if you think something's wrong. I believe that you should voice your opinions and at least say something sometime and not keep quiet about it. With that being said, I don't think it's okay to force anybody to talk about something they don't want to talk about. So if you're a guy and if you believe in feminism and equality, yet you don't want to talk about it and voice your opinion, it's your choice. It's a very privileged choice, but it is still your choice, and that is okay. As long as I feel like you don't let injustices happen in front of you, if something is not okay happening in front of you, as long as you correct that at least, I think that's the minimum you can do. And yeah, that's all I have to say about it. In conclusion, would girls approve of a guy? Depends on the girl's perspective. I think personally, I would prefer if someone spoke, was vocal about it, because that way everybody also knows that he supports the cause. But yeah, that's what I think, honestly. Okay, continuing. Why do you have to put makeup for a no makeup look?
It's called the no makeup look. I don't get it. I guess
I feel like it's just like
it's called like the off-duty model look.
Yeah.
Because models just look like that.
Okay, so the next question is, why do these girls always break my heart?
I don't know. I don't know how to answer this because we know who it is. And
it's what you choose for yourself, though.
I don't know how to answer this question because
We
I
don't
don't know
know.
what happened. But I don't know. Can I just say like bros before hoes?
Whatever. Okay,
Because
next
that's
question.
their like philosophy.
Oh yeah, the bro code.
Yeah.
Okay, are tampons uncomfortable? Again, next question is, do tampons hurt?
Never tried it.
Yeah,
so
neither of us
I
have
don't
tried it,
know.
so we cannot say. I think we'll just end on that because I think that's all of the questions we had, and I don't want to make this a really big video. So thanks for being here.
No problem.
At least I didn't have to do this alone. I feel like it would have been better if there were like a few more people, so you get more opinions on
Yeah,
like the
but
questions.
someone ditched.
Anyways, so I'll have Rishka's Instagram handle somewhere here and in the description below.
It will be somewhere here. And
Yeah.
again, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the
Hit the
little
bell icon.
notification thingy. Okay, bye.
Bye.